Hello everyone, this is Johan again, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Salisbury steak. Let's check out the ingredients. We have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and tomato paste. We have butter, and then dried bay leaf. We have Worcestershire sauce, onion, 2 beef bouillon cubes, Dijon mustard. We have breadcrumbs. We have our mushroom, an egg, all-purpose flour, and our beef. Those are the ingredients. Alright, let's now start making it. So in a big bowl, just mix all the dry ingredients, including the tomato paste. There you go. And then some dash of Worcestershire sauce, and add one of the beef bouillon cubes and the eggs, and then finally the mustard. Mix it all together. Just make sure your hands are clean, just like that. And once all the ingredients are mixed, we are going to divide it equally, and as you can see here, parang ginawa ko lang siyang pizza para yung mga beef patties natin equal yung size nila. You can use a weighing scale if you have one, but if you don't, this is one good way of dividing the meat into equal pieces. Probably isa kasi laki siya ng palm ko, and half an inch thick ang kapal niya. And right here, I'm just going to show you how I slice the onion. So I just diced it real finely. Not super fine, but just like that. And then I have whole button mushrooms here, yung nabibili sa can, and I just sliced it. Kahit anong mushroom pwede nyo gamitin, white button mushrooms or shiitake, it's really up to you. Yan, ganyan lang. Alright. Next thing is we're going to fry it. In a pan, I've added a bit of olive oil, and I've fried or seared our patty. Pag nilagay nyo na yung patty nyo sa frying pan, don't move it. Don't be tempted. Just leave it alone for a good 2 to 3 minutes para ma-build natin yung crust. And this is over high heat. Okay? So, as you can see, once I flipped it, yun yung yung kailangan natin ma-achieve. Magkaroon siya ng crust na ganon. Okay. So, we're done frying everything there. I'm just basically going to remove all the patties, and we're going to remove some of the oil and add our butter. Kasi nag-extract din ng oil yung patties natin eh. Once the butter is almost melted, I've added our white onion and sweated it out and added our button mushrooms. At this point, the next thing we're going to add will be the all-purpose flour. This is, we're going to make para siyang roux, para mag-thicken yung sauce natin. When you're doing this, make sure to be patient and make sure na lutong-luto yung flour natin, kasi hindi masarap na mayroong mga butil-butil ng flour dun sa gravy natin, and hindi siya magmumukhang, yun lang yung parang arinang lasa, hindi siya masarap, tapos para siya mabuhangin. So, kailangan lutuin yung mabuti. Hayaan nyo lang siya dyan over medium-high heat hanggang sa mawala na yung floury na texture niya. And pagkatapos nun, mag-a-add lang tayo ng water, and at this yung water na inad natin dito, mga 2 cups yan, and I've added the last piece of our beef bouillon cubes and also the bay leaf. Ayan, so tutunawin lang natin yung beef bouillon cubes, and pag-simmering natin pang konting kulo lang para ma-extract natin yung lasa or yung aromatics na binibigay ng dried bay leaf. And we're going to add our seared patties in the gravy, just like that. Now, hayaan lang natin yan for good 5 to 7 minutes para lang ma-fully cook yung loob ng patty natin. At syempre, ma-incorporate din yung lasa ng patty natin dun sa gravy natin. And as you can see, I'm just spooning out some of the gravy on top of the beef patties that we have to share the love and all the flavors that we have in that gravy. Yum. Naku, kung naaamoy nyo lang yung habang niluluto ko to, napakabango. Pumasok na yung anak ko, sabi niya, "What are you cooking, Daddy?" And I said, "It's Salisbury steak." And then he said, "Wow, it smells so good." So, it's really, really nice. It's very aromatic. It's very yummy. Now, I'm just going to show you yung side dish na ginawa ko para dito sa dish na to. It's just basically a mashed potato. So, normal potato that you can find in the, whatever tomato that you like, potato actually that you like. I boiled it and then I've added the butter and I mashed it. Just very rustic. And I've added I've added the green onions, salt and pepper to taste. It's really up to you kung paano nyo lasahan yan. Taste it, okay? Yung mo naman sobrang alat, sobrang pepper din. And then, gradually incorporate our milk. I think for me, mashed potatoes will be very, very delicious if you have a very good amount of milk that you have there. So just keep on smashing it and mixing it until you reach the consistency and the flavor that you want for your mashed potatoes. Magkakaiba tayo ng panlasa. Iba gusto medyo mabuo-buo pa. Yung iba hindi masyadong milky. It's up to you. Or iba naman gusto mas mabutter siya. And this time, I'm just showing you the basics. And that's it. I'm ready to serve. And this is how I serve mine. So 2 patties there. I've spooned out some of the gravy. Also on the mashed potatoes. And that is our Salisbury steak. Very delicious. Sobrang high protein. Especially kung lean meat yung gagamitin. Mga 80-20 na meat ang gagamitin nyo sa ground beef nyo. Very, very nice. It's not, yung mga nagda-diet dyan, hindi masyadong para sa inyo to, pero it's still good. Kung minsan-minsan lang. Ito yung reaction ng anak ko. Yung sabi niya lang na it's so good, masarap daw and all that. Kaya daw siyang masabi kundi masarap kasi masarap naman daw talaga. There you go. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And also follow us on Instagram and our Facebook page. Until next time, see ya!